Hey everyone, so if you are looking for real remote jobs that you can do at any time, day or night, then this video is for you. So let's be real, these jobs are not flashy or glamorous at all. They are actually the kind of work that most people don't even brag about on social media. America's cost of living crisis is hitting harder than ever before. Rent is up, groceries cost more, and even credit is getting tougher to manage. So today we're diving into 5 boring but real jobs that you can do 24/7. And just a quick note here, the job details like the pay and schedules can change, so always check in on the official company websites before you apply. And so this video is for informational purposes only, no guarantees of hiring or income. So when groceries are costing more each week, side income does matter. So freelance writing won't make you rich, but it is flexible work that you can do at any time of the day, even if it's 2 a.m. So on that note, let's talk about Writer Access. So Writer Access is a platform that connects freelance writers with clients who need written content like blog posts, articles, social media captions, and product descriptions like on Amazon. So here's how it works. You apply to join and submit a sample writing, and based on your writing, they assign you a rating from 2 stars to 6 stars. So the higher your rating, the higher your pay per word will be, and writers usually earn anywhere from 2 cents a word for beginners to 10 cents per word for more experienced writers. All right, so that means that a sample 500 word blog post could earn you $10 to $50 depending on your level. Now, is it boring? Yes, in my estimation it is, because writing about vacuums, pet care, or accounting software is not thrilling by any means. But it's work that you can do from your laptop whenever you want, with no manager breathing down your neck. And because the assignments are posted online and picked up by writers worldwide, you can literally log in 24/7 and grab work whenever it fits your schedule. And I can tell you from experience, because I used to do this back in the day, writing on the most random topics ever on my lunch break. I wrote about things that I didn't even know anything about, but with a little research, I learned more, and I cranked out articles like best hair blow dryers, lawnmowers, and beef jerky makers. Like, so random, right? They're not glamorous, but it did pay, and it taught me how to write fast and just about anything. Now here's the tip. In order to stand out, I would say to focus on one niche, because if you know health, finance, or tech, highlight that. Clients will pay more for writers who have more of a specialized knowledge. Okay, so we know that AI is everywhere right now, and believe it or not, people are getting paid to train it. It's not glamorous, but it is flexible income that you can fit into your everyday schedule whenever you need it. So this is one of the newer jobs on the list, and honestly, one of the more interesting ones too. So as an AI trainer, you are basically teaching artificial intelligence how to improve. So what does that exactly mean? So you may be reviewing AI generated responses. Like, for example, the AI might be asked, okay, what's the capital of France? And give 2 different answers, Paris and Rome. So your job here would be to mark the correct answer. And you may be ranking which response is better. And you're also correcting errors and providing feedback. So sometimes the AI will spit out, nonsense and make different mistakes, like maybe mixing up historical dates. So you would flag those errors, and then you would give the correct version so that the system learns from it. Okay, so we know that food, gas, and bills, they all are adding up. So micro tasks are simple and repetitive, but the perk here is that you can log in whenever you need, even in the middle of the night. So Appen has been around for years now, and they hire people to complete micro tasks, which are small projects, like, for example, labeling images so that AI can recognize them. So for example, you might see maybe a picture of a street, and then you have to mark every traffic light or circle all the dogs that are in a set of photos so that AI learns what a dog looks like. And so you're also checking if the search engine results are accurate, and you may be transcribing short snippets of audio. So that could mean listening to a 5-second clip of someone saying, you know, Alexa, play the Beatles, and then typing out exactly what they said. And this would be word for word. So it's not creative, but it does help improve voice assistance and speech recognition. And so the work here is repetitive. So if you have 20 minutes at 11 p.m., you can still earn. And pay depends on the project. So some micro tasks will pay just a few cents. And a tip here would be, when you're applying, make sure that you fill out your profile completely and also pass the qualification tests, because those tests do determine if you get invited to the higher paying projects, and that is where the real money is. And it's behind the scenes work, but it is critical for the development of AI tools. So pay also can vary. And the best part here is that because these tasks are online, you can log in at any time. Now, when you are applying, these roles do often look for people with strong reading comprehension skills and also attention to detail. So if you're really good at spotting out mistakes, then this can be a great fit for you. Now, this is a brand new open opportunity, legal transcription, and it is detail heavy. It does pay more than general transcription, and you can work on files 24/7. So TranscribeMe has always offered general transcription, but they recently opened up legal transcription again. And so that means that you are typing out audio from hearings and dispositions or even legal proceedings. So the work is detail heavy, and you do need good listening skills, fast typing skills, and accuracy. But because it is so specialized, the pay is better than the general transcription. And here you can pick up files whenever you are free, whether that is day or night. So it makes a great flexible option. All right, so shifting gears once again, let's dive into 2 online tutoring opportunities that you can also do overnight. So this is perfect if you want to help other people learn while making money on your own schedule. So this first tutoring opportunity is for Cambly. We've mentioned Cambly a few times here on this channel, but they are a super flexible platform where you can chat casually with people around the world who want to practice their English skills. So there are no formal lessons, just friendly conversation. So basically what you do, you log in according to your schedule and talk with students about their interests, their culture, or their English questions. And it's great for beginners since you don't need a teaching degree or lesson planning involved. So this fits well with night shifts because students come from all over the world, especially within Asia and South America. So their daytime does match your nighttime. And the pay is low to get started. It is paid weekly through PayPal. So this is something you can supplement. If you're looking for extra income coming through your household, this is a great supplemental opportunity. And you also get to earn tips as well. So the requirements include that you are fluent in English, you're 18 years old or older, and you have a quiet place and a good internet connection. Okay, and finally, there is Preply. If you want to be an online tutor working on your own schedule, Preply is a larger tutoring marketplace where you can teach languages, academic subjects, music, and more in scheduled lessons. So unlike Cambly, Preply tutors design lesson plans. They track progress and also build relationships with their students over time. So you set your own rates and your own schedule, which means that you can choose to teach overnight if it does fit your lifestyle. And so the pay rate does range. You do get paid weekly, and Preply does take a small commission out of your paycheck, just to keep you aware of that. So requirements include that you are knowledgeable within your subject and you're able to communicate clearly. Also, certifications do help if you have any, but they are not always required. So there you have it. Those are 5 boring but real jobs that you can do 24/7. They may not be glamorous, they may not be fun or creative, but they are flexible, legitimate, and they help you push through the cost of living crisis that we are facing right now. So this video is part of my new series on surviving America's spending crisis, where I have been reacting to what has been going on in the job market and sharing different ways in order to adapt. So if you are looking for real solutions, then do make sure to subscribe. And if you are interested in binge watching the last episodes before the next one comes out, definitely take a look at this video. This video was so much fun to film and really taught me a lot about what is going on out there. People are adapting in creative ways, and I'm sure that you would find something to be really shocking in this video too. So go ahead and click that video to catch up, and we will chat in the next video.